In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp like a pro from day one. We'll start inside ClickUp and build a simple, reliable system you can use for work, personal projects, or clients. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log in. Pick whichever you'll use most often. Consistency matters more than the platform. Next, create your first space. Think of a space as the top-level container for a major area of your life or business. Name it something clear, like work, personal, or clients. So every task you add later has a logical home. Inside that space, create folders for your key areas. Folders help you separate major projects or workflows. For example, you might have marketing, sales, operations, or personal projects. Keep folder names short and obvious to reduce friction when you file new tasks. Now build lists within each folder to track specific workflows or goals. Lists are where the day-to-day work lives. Create lists such as campaigns, client requests, or weekly goals. If you're unsure, start broad and refine as your needs become clearer. Add tasks for every actionable item. Each task should represent a single next step, like write blog post, send proposal, schedule meeting, or update report. Clear task names and realistic due dates will save you time later. Enhance your tasks with custom fields. Add fields like priority, deadline, assigned team member, and status to capture the information you'll reference most. Keep your field set focused, so it stays easy to update. Set your task statuses to reflect your workflow. To do, in progress, review, and completed. Simple, visual progress makes it easy to spot bottlenecks and keep momentum. Quick note: if you need ClickUp, there's a link at the top of the description to open it on the web or download the app. Use views and dashboards to stay organized. Board view gives you a visual pipeline you can drag and drop. List view is best for sorting by due dates and scanning details. Dashboards pull everything together so you can monitor progress, goals, and metrics at a glance. Automate repetitive work to save time. Set rules to move tasks between statuses, assign tasks automatically, or send reminders when due dates approach. Start small and expand as your patterns become clear. Finally, review and adjust weekly. Spend a few minutes updating progress, closing what's done, and planning next week so you stay on track. That's it. By setting up spaces, folders, lists, tasks, and automations from day one, you can use ClickUp like a pro and maximize your productivity. Thanks for watching.